In this video, I will be showing you how to make a delicious banana cake using a cake mix. This recipe is really easy to make. Let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using a Cake Angel's salted caramel banoffee loaf mix, and I will follow the instructions written on the cake mix box. So I'm starting off by peeling one ripe banana and breaking it into small pieces, after which I will mash it to my desired texture. Next, I am going through the instructions on the cake mix box just to make sure I have everything I need, and then I will open it up to see what we have inside. So we have 2 sachets of the salted caramel cake mix, and then we have some salted caramel toffee pieces. So I am going to open these and add them together into a mixing bowl. Now this recipe is really great if you are looking for that really quick but delicious cake recipe, and I will go ahead to add my mashed bananas into the mixture. Next, I will add my oil. I will list all of these ingredients on the description box. Then I will also add some water as needed from the cake box. Finally, I will break 2 eggs and add them to the mixture. So to mix this together, we'll use an electric hand mix to whisk all of these ingredients until they are well combined. It's important to use a deep bowl for recipes like this so you don't have the mixture splattering everywhere around you. So after mixing that, we are going to oil our baking pan. So I got this really cute baking pan from Amazon. I will link it in the description box as well. And I am oiling it, and then I will add the cake mixture into the several compartments of the pan. Now I really like this pan because it gives you like bite-sized pieces, especially if you want to make like portions for 8 people or portions to save after baking or to store in the freezer. But you can also use a normal loaf tin for this recipe. I just like this because it gives me portion sizes right from the oven. So next I will be taking this over to the oven to bake, and after letting this bake and putting a little toothpick through, our cake is ready. So look at how delicious that looks. This cake is really quick and easy to make, and trust me, it was really delicious to eat as well. It was moist, it was fluffy, and it wasn't overly sweet, which I really liked. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you will try this recipe using the Cake Angel's banoffee loaf mix. I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.